In America we say I love you. In England we say, in Canada we say I love you. In Eswatini we say, in Uganda I love you. In Congo we say I love you. Nigeria we say money fere. In Ghana we say mido. In Somalia we say wankujekla. Ethiopia we say iwe dishaleho. In Mozambique we say yo te amo. In Australia we say I love you. In New Zealand we say I love you. In Mexico we say te amo. In Spain we say te amo. In Taltelbana we say te amo. In Chile we say te amo. In Peru we say te amo. Te amo. In Venezuela we say te amo. In Cuba we say te amo. Te amo. In Brazil we say te amo. In Portugal we say te amo. In France we say je t'aime. In Belgium we say je t'aime. In Switzerland we say je t'aime. In Germany we say ich liebe dich. In Austria we say ich liebe dich. In Italy we say ti amo. In Netherlands we say ik ogalu. In Sweden we say jagelskadi. In Norway we say jagelskadi. In Denmark we say jagelskadi. In Malaysia we say yate belublu. In Belarus we say yate belublu. In Greece we say sagapo. In Turkey we say seni seviolu. In Saudi Arabia we say ana uipuka. In Qatar we say ana uipuka. In UAE we say ana uipuka. In David we say ana bahebuka. In India we say मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. In Pakistan we say मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. In China we say वो आईनी. In Taiwan we say वो आईनी. In Japan we say aishiteru. In Korea we say sarange. In Thailand we say janrakum. In Indonesia we say aku cinta kamu. In Malaysia we say aku cinta padamu. In Philippines we say mahal kita. In Zimbabwe we say dokudara. In Zambia we say nalikukonda. In Malawi we say ndimakukonda. In Tanzania we say nakupenda. In Kenya we say nakupenda. In Rwanda we say nakukunda. In South Africa we say ngiyakutanda.